Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be installing these gorgeous kinky straight clip-ins from Curlsqueen. These were super easy to install and I can't wait to show you guys the process because these clip-ins came out so bomb. I'm just super obsessed with them. I'm going to start with freshly washed hair. My hair is a little damp and I'm just going to part my leave out, and I did a pretty big leave out just in case I wanted to do a side part or middle part, and so that I could change styles in between. If you know you like your hair in a side part or prefer it in a middle part, then I would probably do a smaller leave out, only because it minimizes the amount of hair you're going to be straightening. Now I'm going to be using a blow dryer to kind of just dry my roots. This is going to make it so much easier for me to braid my hair, because braiding your hair when it's wet, it's kind of slippery and it's hard to grip the hair with it. So I'm just drying my hair a little bit, making sure my roots are completely dry. Now I'm just going to be braiding my hair. I did do 6 braids and they don't necessarily have to be perfect. I'm not a professional and my braids never come out perfect, but they just have to be put away so that the clip-ins could be easy to clip on and install and it not look bulky. Once I'm done braiding my hair, I'm going to be pinning back the braids to get it as flat as possible, and so that the braids aren't just hanging out and sticking out. I used the bobby pins to secure the braids back and to get it to lay as flat as possible. So these are the clip-ins. I used 2 packs, 24 inches of Kinky straight texture from Curlsqueen. This is the hair right out of the package, but I am going to be straightening it a little bit just to give it kind of a blowout effect. I don't want it super sleeky because I don't want to straighten my natural hair like that, so I'm just going to be straightening it a little bit, not too much. I did straighten each clip-in right before installing to my head, but it would have been a lot quicker and faster if I did this all at once. But we're here now, and the process did take a little bit, but it was all worth it. Once I'm done straightening it, I'm going to be installing it to my head, and I'm going to start from the bottom all the way to the top. So these clip-ins are 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair. You can upgrade to 10 pieces for a full head. It's double wefted and double done. It's true to length and it's super thick and full from top to end. And I'm just obsessed with this hair. It matched perfectly with my natural hair, as you guys will see later on, but I'm super obsessed with this hair. It's super long. It's 24 inches, so it was the perfect length. But they do have other lengths. They have shorter and longer. I mentioned earlier that I ordered 2 packs, but I didn't have to use everything. I think I had about maybe 4 clip-ins left over, and this gave me a full head of hair. But if you prefer to have a less fuller hair, you could always use one pack. I think one pack would have worked well, but since I had fuller hair, I ordered two, and I don't know, in my opinion it came out super gorgeous. And now I'm going to take the hair that I sectioned off, and I'm going to be blow drying it to match the clip-ins. I'm going to be using a heat protectant, of course, to protect my hair from heat. And I'm just going to be blow drying the entire hair that I sectioned off. I'm going to be adding a leave-in treatment for the hair to make it even more softer and shiny and for a healthy look. So now I'm going to be trying a half up, half down hairstyle, and I'm going to take my natural hair, half of it, and the other half I braided down and still kept the clip-ins in, but I'm just going to be tying my natural hair. Then I'm going to be taking the longest clip-ins. I believe it has about 5 clip-ins, and I'm just going to be wrapping that around my natural hair. Then I'm just going to use a curling wand to curl all of the hair. These are the final results. I absolutely love how these clip-ins came out. It's a good alternative for when you want to straighten your hair but don't want to apply any heat to your hair. You could absolutely do this hairstyle without leaving any hair. But that is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next video.